off-road vehicle and is not intended for use on public highways. There's no means necessary. But I built this bike. It got tail light, left signal, right signal, turning, brake lights. This shit ready for the road. He ready. You know what I'm saying? Neon green, neon yellow. It took 9 coats of green. It took 10 coats of yellow, neon, to make this bike fully neon. It is in perfectly condition, and it is beautiful. It is nice. It's wonderful. I mean, can't beat this. He's ready. I'm finna go up, post the seat, figure out what kind of seat I want for it. But that's it. And I got a big red too. You know what I'm saying? I got a white. You know what I'm saying? He ready. He ready. He ready too. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? He ready too. He ready. Little apartment. You know what I'm saying? He ready. Got a one level on there. You ready? You with me? It's this one next, silver bullet. You know what I'm saying? Then I got a silver and purple one coming. Probably a glow in the dark one. Man, I got a lot of shit on my sleeve. You know what I'm saying? It's just me. That glow in the dark bike gonna be so fire. I mean, I think that's gonna be like the protege. But I'm build a big one and small glow in the dark one. I'm gonna try to put a bigger motor on them big bikes like the 301, but they cost a little grip though, you know what I'm saying? I don't care nothing about paying for it, 'cause I'm not get my money back though, but you know, they understand you gonna have to pay for it too. I mean, what I pay for, you gonna pay for it. If I gotta keep putting extra parts in there and spending a little money for this and for that, I want my money back too, you know what I'm saying? That's how I go. I need that. Or go buy it online. Get you some slow shit. Get you some slow shit. But this right here, this shit right here, fast. My shit fast. No games. Play no games.